Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Hey, this is Bob. I'm at home fidgeting with my 4 recently bought knives. All these are low-priced knives, below $30. I think this one's 15, this one's like 18, this one's like 27, this one's 29. Anyway, I was fidgeting about the way they're opened. So you have this kind that you have to use 2 hands to open and to close. And the second kind is this kind, where you have to open it like that. You can do it with one hand. It's fairly quick. I'm sure somebody can do it much quicker than I can. The third kind is this kind. Very, very fast. Same thing, lightning fast. So I like knives not only in its utilitarian aspect. These are great for utilitarian reasons. Also, someday you may have to use them for self-defense, who knows? And for that purpose, I think this kind of deployment is the best, because it can be deployed lightning fast. And this one, it takes 2 hands. It takes time. This one takes a little longer. That's half a second more than this kind. Like that. So definitely this kind of opening is much better than this kind. So you may want to consider that next knife that you purchase. Just fidgeting with my knives, I thought about these. Because that 1 or 2 second advantage could mean life and death in some situation. Hope not, but you never know. Maybe one hand is hurt, you cannot open it. This 2-hand one be difficult. And this one you have to do that to swing it open. And this one, all you have to do is just flip the finger, and it's there. Much better. This kind is much better. In the future, I will buy this kind. These kind are nice also. Well, that's my thought for today. Thank you all for watching.